Bye.
I love bacon. Now I've got 4 left.
Ladies at the top, tip top, don't stop. We on a whole nother level.
There's like so much going on at the same time. Let me pause my sermon. Good morning. It's Sunday. I hope y'all doing okay. Today's kind of like a reset day for me. It's basically just kind of like catching up on cleaning, getting the kids' stuff ready for school on Monday, and cooking and stuff like that. So just house stuff and maybe a touch of other things here and there. But I think we are going to the trampoline park today to do this trick-or-treating stuff. It's like a party they're having with face paint and all that. So I may get a little bit of recording of that. But y'all, I'm trying to make this crepe. In my mind, I want to make the crepe, but I'm like, I need 2 eggs, a cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. There we go. You see how that works? And then you can go like that, and then, and then go again, and then go again, and then go again. This is what I want. Don't play with me. Let's get the bowl. We're going to use this. Okay. I feel like I want to use my Bisquick mix because the flour is just going to taste bleh. And this doesn't have anything. It's just a mixture. I feel like I'm going to try it with that first. Let me try at least one with it. I made what I think feels like, well, it's not as thin as crepes. Hold on. I'm thinking the TV, this is not on. But it's not as thin as crepes, but I feel like it does its justice. It's a little, it's good enough, Like, this is how it looks. I feel like it's good enough and it tastes well, too.
This one is good. This one right here is good.
All of them are good.
No, but this one's like, I'm just saying.
But all of them are good.
I'm just telling you, this one is a good, this one almost matches the video.
Okay, you guys, this is my son's. Oh, he's mad.
No!
This is a plate. He did Nutella, chocolate Nutella, strawberries, and then his eggs and bacon. He said it looks good, so let's hope it tastes good. All right, thank you. Bye.
I love bacon.
You love bacon. All right, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'll catch you guys up later. Hey y'all, so we're about to go to the trampoline park with the kids. So I'm just like doing a little zoop zoop, get ready. I just have on an ordinary t-shirt. Well, Selena, the singer. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump too today. Maybe. I'm gonna pay to jump. And I just like did a little bit of nothing much on my face. Just a little bit of lip thingy, lip pencil. I did my brows. Just touch it up a little bit, and I did some mascara. I haven't put on any like lip gloss yet, so I'm gonna probably use this one, my Oh Faithful. That will give me a little bit more pink. And the other child is coming in. Hello, child. How are you doing, child?
Good.
You ready for the trampoline park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just use all my products.
Because I need to grow my hair.
Because he needs
One of
to
my
grow
friends
his hair.
said if you put like the beanies on and like put some grow hairspray
Mm-hmm.
and then you put the beanie on
Oh my
and
gosh.
then it'll grow inside the beanie.
No, that's not how your hair works,
Then how does
baby.
your hair grow?
We cut it. Your hair grows, but we cut it because you don't know how to maintain your hair properly. You're not old enough to maintain it at least a little bit. And I don't have much time to maintain it, so gotta cut it.
I don't know.
You don't want to cut it when you get a little bit older.
Could I be when I get 10? Could I do not cut it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
When you get 10, he's gonna not cut it. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get ready. I'll probably try to record some at the thingy just so y'all can see. But other than that, friend, you're gonna be staying. Okay? This is family time. We're gonna do family time. But I'll catch y'all later. Bye. That's what everybody say. Oh, we're gonna jump. Are you gonna reverse? Just reverse and done.
What is wrong with you?
What?
I know I have spatial awareness.
I have spatial awareness too. I reverse, look, you see, and you gotta reverse again. Gotta reverse again.
Not really. I like being up to the curb like that. Just in case you slip back a little, you have a breathing room.
Okay.
Your car settles after a while.
Come on, bro. Hush up. Hush up.
Jordan, you better be nice to her. She gonna be teaching you how to drive.
Oh.
She gonna teach you the basics. I can't teach you the basics. I do not.
Why you can't teach him
I
the
do not need
basics?
this man driving like me. Nah. You need to drive like an old lady. Nah.
But he said,
Nah.
but hold up. He says that I'm the bad driver. So what's going on? Apparently, I'm the bad driver. He said I'm the bad driver.
Your mom will teach you to drive properly, just like my mother taught you the basics. Let her teach. Let the old women teach you the basics.
That's crazy.
Not crazy.
Did he just call me old? Mark, you called me old on camera. In and out the street.
No, I told you.
Why do I have to get old drivers? Why can't you get the new school drivers?
Not new drivers have more experience.
Why are they arguing about new school and old school driving? I
If an
can't.
experienced driver teaches
I
you,
can't.
more experience than the old experience.
No, if you have the basic driver teach you, then you learn the basics, and then you're driving with the basics, and the basics get stuck in your head, and then it's time to learn. Then you can observe the experience. It's like, oh, I can apply the basics and make this experience. That's how it works.
Meanwhile, me and the little one just back here.
I can never win, bro.
You can't. You really can't. I already told you this. All right, y'all. We about to go into this place.
Is it just gonna be them something today?
Yes, just them.
I'll jump.
You gonna jump?
Sure.
So then, should I jump?
No.
You have socks?
No.
I have a large. Would that fit you?
And then what's your name? Are you on a different phone number?
Probably. Try 321-614-0836.
What's your name?
Mark Hinton.
So it's 321-684.
614.
614 and then
08.
08.
36.
Okay. So your total for the parent jump is going to be $2.81.
Can I get a Gatorade also while I'm there? Thank you.
Let me add that.
Trailer.
Oh. Okay. He's actually gonna jump. He's actually jumping.
Alright, I'm gonna go to that basketball, okay? See you.
Okay. I can't. They nerfed the basketball one. So instead of them having like the run and start, it has like the little net around it. So they can't run anymore. You done?
Too high, man. I got vertigo.
He got vertigo, y'all.
Oh, you have to go slow, bro. You gotta go like 2
You tapping out?
It's healing up. Now get forward.
And I got that on camera. FYI.
Never mind, bro.
You okay? You good?
This on.
The
Look at
net
him.
is here. You can't do nothing. The net is there, Jordan.
Zero nerves, bro. You got that right?
What was that sound?
You gotta get your grit on. Get your grit on.
You thought your dad was gonna get that? Really? Oh, and none of y'all did.
I think I could touch it.
No, you can't. Oh! Okay, down, Jordan. You done?
Hit different, bro.
30 hit different.
I'm gonna make your feet like the rest of the pants. Nah, bro, y'all got this. Y'all got this.
They done. They wiped out. They finished. It's over.
Yeah, they only charged me $2. That was $2. I'm done. Not $2 up. Time up. Call me. Call me ref from out. Call me ref from out. Now $2 worth of done.
It's done. We done. We done.
$2 is done, bro.
$2 done.
Done. I don't need
$2 extra. We don't need no more.
That was extra. That was like 5. I think I owed him like 3. Let me go do some work.
You owed him?
Got some kids around. Hey, you.
I'm done. I'm done. You done?
360.
Huh?
Pretty good. I know you're saying something. I'm too far up. I like being that far up. So as soon as I get
You're not even straight.
I am straight. I'm right in the box.
That was not straight.
Oh, you know what? I'm not talking. I'm gonna do way. You don't even have a license. What the heck you talking about?
And I would drive it straighter than you, bro. I would drive it way straighter, bro.
Yeah, hand and stone.
They sell hands and stones?
Massage, Jodine.
Oh.
Massage. Get it
They
together.
do hand and stone massages.
Exactly. And a lot
So they
more.
massage you with stones?
Yes.
What?
Do you want me to massage you with some
No.
stones?
You ain't no massage
You
therapist.
can
You don't know what
massage
you're
with
talking. Yes,
stones.
you don't know
I have
what you're doing.
stones.
Why do we
Jodine.
massage with stones?
Because it's a therapeutic treatment. It's like, it's not hot to the point where it burns you.
Why stones, though?
Because it helps with the pressure too. And it helps melt away the muscles. And
It
he
could have
gonna
been
ask me
like, it
questions.
could have been like lollipops or something. Or like,
What kind of fetish you have, little boy? Hold on, y'all.
Look how dark it is. Look how dark.
I know it's dirty a little bit, maybe. Ooh, look at the decoration. Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Go. You know the gist. Go pick a bowl. Hello. Where? Oh. Can I get any? Toasty marshmallow. Salted caramel.
mine's just as heavy as the rest of y'all.
What you got?
I got.
Don't
No,
drop
it's
it.
not. No, it's not. His one
It's
is
a
way
little
heavier.
heavier than mine.
What you got? Let me see.
Cause I have, yeah.
That looks good.
Yours is light.
No. If you say, see, you see, he just said it himself.
Yeah, exactly. Big back tendencies. You did. It's okay. We know you feel comfortable with us. It's alright. It's okay. Yes, baby.
This doesn't taste like the hazel diesel. Well,
No?
it does.
It kind of. It looks good. And you got chocolate too? Dope. I should have got some chocolate. All right, y'all. We homebound, so I'll talk to y'all when we get home. Peace out. Good morning. Good morning, babes. Hey, y'all. It's Monday morning, and of course, I'm headed to work. This is a work flow today. All day today, I'm at work, so we're not doing anything special at all. I brought my tablet with me. My kid was using my tablet, and I'm like, I really need my tablet to work because I hate taking my heavy laptop to work because I literally don't get anything done when I take my laptop to work. So I'm like, let me take my tablet. I have to like spruce it up a little bit, so I'm gonna take today to do that. Look, guys, my business post went live where I have like a discounted what you call it, a discounted lymphatic drainage massage. I'm excited about that because this means that I am actually putting my foot out there to actually promote my business like I should have been, you know? So I am working on that. It's already live. So it's going to be live until December, I think, 5th. And then you are to use the membership, whatever stuff that you get, you are to be using it by January 5th. So you got like a whole month to use it. So I'm super excited about that. But let me give you a scripture of the day. Lay not up for yourself treasures upon earth, where moth and rust doth corrupt, and where thieves break through and steal. There's nothing here on earth for you. I was talking about this in a TikTok post earlier. There is nothing on earth that we can take with us when we die. Like, why are we holding on so tightly to things on this earth? You know, I'm no longer like being that person that's like work all the time, try to get, and never having time to relax. If I get all these things, I die. I'm leaving it for my children. I'm leaving it for the next person. I can't take this with me. So what am I doing all of this for? That's the question. What am I doing all of this for? When are you going to stop and smell the roses? When are you going to stop and thank God for everything that He has put in your path for you to be able to do what you're doing now? You know? So give God some grace, give God some thanks this morning. Thank Him for everything that He has done for you, and thank Him for everything else that He's going to continue doing for you if you believe. All right, y'all. So that's my little zhut for this morning. I will see you guys later. All right.
Set button so that I can restart and focus in the direction I want to go. I have used each of these people get through their day without these habits. We all experience so much stress every day, whether you're running late for work or a family member. I remember my first day at monk school when I saw a young monk teaching younger monks. And I was observing from afar. I then spoke to him afterwards.
embarrassing. I do not know why. Oh, there's a doggy in the car. That will tell you guys how much I love doggies. And mine is at home. He's like such a clingy dog though. Ugh. But I love it. I love it so much. But hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Tuesday and we're gonna do a little rampage. It's not really a rampage. I call it a rampage because I have no other words to call it right now. But we're gonna do a little trip to Home Depot. So I was supposed to like show you guys this morning like my little breakfast that I made and my little routine in the morning when I'm relaxing and stuff like that, forgetting that I had a client. So there I was rushing to go to this client because I'm already 30 minutes late. Friend, that was not a good look, but thankfully the lady, she did text me, and that's how I remember that I have an appointment. And the reason why I didn't get the alarm is because I booked the appointment and it wasn't paid. So in my system it's like, oh, you didn't pay, you ain't getting no massage, because technically in my stuff, if you didn't pay, you're not getting a massage, you know, it's canceled. So, but I didn't put a note for her, so it didn't alarm me. So that was like my bad. That was like totally my bad. But yeah, so right now, trust I'm gonna do something before the holidays, okay? Trust that. So now I'm going over to Home Depot because I decided that I want to spruce up the walkway, and I also want to spruce up the window treatment. So I'm going to get new blinds for the window. Why does this keep going down? I don't know. So I'm going to like get that all settled at Home Depot right now. So I found what I needed, but now I have to find the size that I need. Okay. Well, the time is... So my husband and my My dog is playing with the other dog over there, so I might try not to make a sound. Hi, Ava. Hi, Ava. Good morning, guys. So, I am putting up my window. So, I am taking this and I'm putting it here because I need it to change. Like, this is a really nice one, though. Oh, what is this? Oh. This is a really nice thick one, so hopefully they don't break, but we're transforming all of that. So the one back there, that one, it is over there because tell me how I bought it, and it's just a couple of inches, just like, I want to say 2-3 inches, a little bit too long. So I got to take back this one. The guy told me that they are able to like cut it to your specification. So I'm just gonna like go back up there after I'm done with this one and see if he's able to like cut it for me. If not, well, he already told me so. Obviously he can. But yeah, y'all watch me struggle and put this stuff up. I'm gonna set this up like this so y'all can watch me work. Don't it look nice, Jax? I feel like it looks really nice. All right, so now I gotta do that thing. I don't even know how this gonna work. Like this piece right here. It's supposed to clip in. That is so gross right now. Like, why did the bird have to poop on my sunroof? Like, every time I look up, I see a big nasty bird poop up in there. That's, ugh. Ugh. It's nasty. Yuck. Yuck. Good morning, y'all. It's Friday. It's Friday morning. Hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all doing good, because I'm doing good. Well, I'm agitated as hell this morning. I'm so agitated, babe. I don't even want to go ahead. I don't even want to do this. I don't even want to do this morning. I don't want to do this morning at all. But we have to, because we got to go to work. And then we are going to find like a dress or something. Either a dress or a nice top. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Because I have this, well, not this. My friend, we've been friends since school. Since massage school. So it's been like over 10 years. It's her birthday, and every birthday for all of us, we like do something, go out to dinner, go relax, go do something, girl. Go do something. So she's having her birthday thingy tomorrow, and I forgot it was tomorrow. So now I gotta go ahead and look for a nice outfit to wear. I don't have anything specifically for the theme that she has going on tomorrow night. It is basically like the it girl kind of situation where you have the brown and stuff. I'm gonna like look for something cute but simple, because I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on one outfit. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna try to look for something like nice, chic. The theme is shades of brown, so that's why I'm like, I don't have anything that matches that theme in my closet. So I'm gonna have to go and look for. So in mind, for me, I feel like the best bet today is to go after work, and I'm gonna go over to Mad Rag. I want to say Mad Rag. So I'm gonna like go over there, see what's happening. That should take me about like 30-45 minutes, about a good 20 minutes to get there, and then, you know, look around and then go back. If I don't find anything there as I'm going home, because I want to get home at least by 2 o'clock, take a little nap, you know. But yeah, by that time, if I don't find anything at Mad Rog, I'm gonna go over to, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting the names. It starts with B. It starts with a B. It's like another cheap little clothing place area that has some like really cute stuff, but people don't really buy stuff. I don't know if people buy it there, but I buy it there. I don't care. That's where I'm going. That's where I'm going to buy my stuff. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna drive down to work, and I will talk to you guys in a few. Okay, y'all, we going home. Well, not home. We're going to the store to see if we can get clothing, and then we're going home. I just finished work, so I'm headed to the car so we can leave. Look at that. It's so beautiful outside today. Like, I wish I could, like, kind of just sit and chill out, because as I said, like, this is the first Friday that I legit have not much to do at all. Alright, y'all, so we here. I almost fell. Oh, so that's the store over there. Mad Rug. And that's where we're gonna go. Oh, I like that little outfit. Hello, how are you? Good, good. Alright. Alright, let's see what we can find. Ooh, shades of brown. These are so cute. But it is not cold enough to wear that kind of stuff. Oh my god, look at that. So cute. It's just so much. It's a lot. I mean, this looks cute, but I don't think it's cute for me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I think this might be it. Looks so cute. I think that might be it. Because we got long sleeve. It's like a pants. It's like a pants skirt kind of thing. And the sleeves. Ooh, child. Let me see the back. Ooh. How much is it? Does that say $69? It says $69. And I'm not finna pay all that money for this. Oh, y'all, I just smelled this and it's like really, really nice. So I think I'm gonna get it. I smell the amber. The amber is okay. This one is gourmet white flower. It's not bad. And then this one is fruity almond. Ooh. I don't know about this one. I don't know about that one. I don't know, y'all. And then I like this one, but I don't know. I don't know if I like that one. But this one, Dior Savage, Mimic inspired. Beautiful, freaking beautiful. If I come back and I'm still in love with it, I'm gonna get it because it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous and it smells good. Do I need anything else from over here? I don't think I do. So let's go over to the clothing aisle, which that's why I came here. I've been seeing a lot of people using these. And I don't know if they're like, it's good. But I've seen a lot of people use this. And it says that it's like, good for the hair and all of that. But I'm not sure, so. I'm looking for nice dresses. I honestly don't feel like I am going to find anything here. But I'm definitely leaving with this this perfume. I literally have nothing in here. And I'm not gonna go buy that outfit for no damn $70. Ooh, that looks like a nice jeans. How did I see this? I don't know. This is like legit one of the reasons I hate shopping, because the stores never have what the hell I want. They be having some old stuff. I should have just done what I said I was gonna do and go ahead and order my stuff from Amazon and call it a day. Ooh, this is cute. Somebody done try that on. Let me see, they got a small. It's only extra small. Ooh, medium. Oh, they have a small. There we go. Nice little black dress. I can use this. I'm back home. So I didn't find nothing at Target. I didn't find anything at Mad Rag. I didn't find rainbows at all, because they closed the store. So at Target, I got this cute little dress. It was very cheap. It was not much. It was not much at all. But it's cute, and I feel like it's gonna fit me really nice. And what else I got? That's my stuff. I got some more Mighty Patches, because sometimes I'll be breaking out, and the one that I have, it works, but sometimes, you know, I just needed some new ones. And I still have the smell. I don't know about that one, like the fruity one, because it smells nice, but then it also smells, you know, when you put roll-on like arm stick on your armpit, and then your armpit starts to sweat, and then you have this kind of like musky kind of smell on it. Yeah, that's what it's giving. So I ended up getting this one from Dossier. It's the Inspired Dior Savage. That's what it's given. So I'm gonna try this later though. I tried it on and I really liked it. I smelled it. I really liked it. It's awesome. But I'm gonna try it on tomorrow and give y'all an update on how it smells. But for now, I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try that. I just got some Ricola. I like this flavor. If you ever have like a sore throat, or your throat is itchy of any kind, like anything going on, baby, get you some of this Ricola. They're the best. The original herb. It's given. Okay, so Walmart. So this is what I found at Walmart. And no, I don't, like, nobody has good clothes. And I'm annoyed, because why did I have to go to like 3-4 stores in order to find something that's brown? Everybody got like black and sweaters. Like, it's Florida. We're in Florida. It doesn't get that cold here, okay? Like, we could use the sweaters that we have from last year. But anyway, I got this, so I'm just gonna try to like style it. I don't know, friend. It's like a nice little, let me go back a little bit. So it's like a nice little mini thingy, short thingy. So I feel like I can nice this up. I haven't even tried it completely on yet. girl. And hopefully it fits, cause I ain't got nothing else to wear. I do not have anything else to wear, and because it's not that cold, I don't feel like I need to like put anything on that's like super super warm, you know? Big. This is a medium. I should have gotten the small. I should have gotten the small. Yeah, I'm upstairs. I should have gotten the small, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna start this. I also got this. It's like a nice little mini pants kind of thing. It's like a pantsuit. It's leather. It's like a pantsuit, pants thing. I got this. Like, it was just on sale, and I thought, you know what? Maybe this might be okay, but knowing I ain't got no boobs, okay, overnight. I also got this. Like, it was $8. It was $8 and it was on sale. It's like a romper. A nice little romper. And this is just gonna be for me to just like lounge around the house, really. If y'all see it. This is just gonna be for me to lounge around the house. And that was my haul for today. So I'm gonna end this vlog off right now today because I need to start editing so I can post tomorrow, because tomorrow I won't be able to do anything much. I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair, so by tonight, I guess, while I'm editing, I can actually have my hair being done. So tomorrow, because I think tomorrow me and my husband and the kids, we're gonna go to the Asian market, so I'm gonna be filming that too. And after that, I come home, get ready, and then I leave again. So, whoo, child. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for the past week. It has been amazing. I'm getting so many likes, followers, and just subscribers. And I just want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I know that I'm heavily new to this, but I have been so excited to make videos for you guys every other week. It's not only like just making the videos, it's holding myself accountable, like showing up for myself. And I feel like since I started making these videos, I've been doing a lot more for myself and showing up and teaching and helping and all of that stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for rocking with me. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you guys next vlog. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this vlog, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.